In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute part of a video in CapCut PC. If you have background noise, a quick mic glitch, or a section where you said something you want to silence, CapCut makes it easy to mute only that exact part without affecting the rest of your video. The key is to isolate the problem area first, then reduce the volume on just that section. Start by going down to your timeline and placing the vertical playhead at the exact frame where the unwanted sound begins. Try to be as precise as possible here because this first cut marks the start of the section you want to mute. Once your main clip is selected, move your cursor just above the timeline track and click the split tool icon. If you prefer a shortcut, you can also press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. That creates your first cut and separates the beginning of the unwanted audio from the rest of the clip. Next, you'll need to create the end point of that muted section. Move the playhead farther along the timeline until you reach the exact moment the noise, mistake, or unwanted sound ends. Again, accuracy helps, especially if you want the mute to sound clean and intentional. Once the playhead is in the right spot, press Ctrl and B again, or click the same split icon one more time. Now you've created a standalone clip segment in the middle of your timeline. This isolated slice is the only part you're going to edit. With that middle segment visible, click directly on it so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut will only apply the next change to the selected section. After that, move up to the settings panel in the top right area of the screen. Click on the tab labeled Audio, then stay inside the Basic section. Here you'll see the volume slider. To completely silence this part of the video, drag the white slider all the way to the left. When it reaches the end, the volume will show as -infinity decibels, which means that segment is fully muted. The rest of your video will remain exactly as it was, so only that isolated section gets silenced. At this point, you can play back the edit and confirm the muted section starts and ends where you want it to. And that's it. You've positioned the playhead, split the start, split the end, selected the isolated segment, and reduced the volume from the audio basic controls. That's how to mute part of a video in CapCut PC quickly and cleanly.